Have you ever wondered why some people stride effortlessly while others wince with each step, battling sore, aching arthritis knees? The answer might surprise you. The secret to managing arthritis knee pain is simpler than you may think, and it's the main topic of today's video. We'll explore ways to support knee health without relying on medication. Can certain oils help alleviate knee pain? Is bone broth truly effective for cartilage support, or is that a myth? Does ginger effectively reduce knee inflammation? Should you use cold or heat for knee pain relief? How can younger people protect their knees? And what are the best strategies for keeping knees healthy over time? We will discuss why muscle support is essential for managing knee pain from arthritis and share a critical insight for knee care. Why does knee flexibility decrease with age? The knees are cushioned by cartilage and lubricated by synovial fluid. Over time, cartilage wears down and the fluid becomes thicker, leading to stiffness and discomfort in knee movements. Contrary to common belief, knee pain originates from bone, as it contains nerve endings, whereas cartilage does not. Inflammation can aggravate these nerves, resulting in discomfort. Arthritis-related knee pain is primarily caused by the breakdown of cartilage, the smooth tissue that cushions the bones within the knee joint. As this cartilage wears down, the bones begin to rub against each other, creating friction and inflammation, which are the main sources of pain for conditions like osteoarthritis, the most common form of knee arthritis. Natural wear and tear over time is a significant factor. The knee joint endures a lifetime of movement and stress, especially for individuals who engage in repetitive high-impact activities. As this stress accumulates, the cartilage gradually deteriorates, leading to painful symptoms that often increase with age. Inflammation is also a common cause of arthritis-related knee pain, especially in people with autoimmune conditions like rheumatoid arthritis. In these cases, the immune system mistakenly attacks the joint lining, leading to swelling, discomfort, and eventually damage to both cartilage and bone. Previous knee injuries, such as ligament tears or fractures, can increase the risk of developing arthritis. These injuries often alter the structure and alignment of the knee, which forces the joint to work harder to maintain function, speeding up the wear on cartilage. Carrying excess body weight adds further stress to the knee joint, accelerating cartilage wear and often worsening arthritis symptoms. Additionally, genetics can play a role, with some individuals inheriting a predisposition to arthritis, which may lead to an earlier onset and more severe pain. Arthritis-related knee pain typically starts as mild discomfort but can intensify over time as cartilage damage progresses. Addressing knee pain for immediate relief often involves medication, but longer-term strategies are generally more beneficial. Techniques like releasing compressed areas, engaging in anti-inflammatory exercises, and adopting a diet that reduces inflammation are helpful. Knee pain can arise from aging, injuries, lack of movement, and extra weight. Reducing body weight is one of the most effective ways to alleviate knee pain associated with arthritis, as it directly reduces the amount of pressure on the joints. The knee, being a weight-bearing joint, experiences multiple times a person's body weight with each step, so even small amounts of weight loss can result in substantial relief. This reduction in load can help slow the progression of cartilage wear, which in turn can reduce pain and inflammation, offering a significant improvement in day-to-day activities. In addition to weight management, engaging in specific exercises plays a critical role in managing knee pain. Exercises that strengthen the muscles surrounding the knee, particularly the quadriceps, hamstrings and calves, provide extra support to the joint. When these muscles are strong, they absorb more of the impact and stress that would otherwise go directly to the knee, thus stabilizing the joint and enhancing mobility. Strengthening exercises, when performed consistently, can also improve balance and reduce the risk of falls, which are particularly detrimental to arthritic joints. Staying active is essential not only for muscle strength, but also for joint lubrication. Movement stimulates the production of synovial fluid, a natural lubricant in the joints. This fluid acts like oil in a machine, reducing friction and enabling smoother motion. When synovial fluid production is encouraged through regular activity, it can help to cushion and protect the knee cartilage, reducing stiffness and discomfort. However, finding the right balance of movement is key. Low-impact activities such as walking, swimming or cycling provide the benefits of motion without putting excessive stress on the knees. Distinguishing osteoarthritis from other forms of arthritis is vital, as each condition requires different care approaches. Arthritis involves joint inflammation and pain even when at rest, while osteoarthritis is due to cartilage wear, resulting in discomfort after activity. After consulting an expert, it's clear that many of us overlook knee health until pain occurs. Recognizing early warning signs, such as morning stiffness, burning sensations, restricted movement, and creaky knees, is essential. Sensitivity to weather, particularly cold, can also exacerbate knee discomfort, especially during winter. Keeping knees warm and consulting an expert for advice can help manage symptoms effectively. Proper nutrition is a key part of knee health. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which support inflammation reduction and flexibility. Walnuts, almonds and flax seeds are also excellent sources of healthy fats. Adding colorful fruits and vegetables like blueberries, pomegranates, red bell peppers, broccoli and spinach can help lower knee inflammation. Protein is equally crucial as it supports tissue repair. Be sure to include sources like meat, fish, eggs and plant-based proteins in your diet. Collagen is an essential protein in the body that provides structure and support to joints, acting as a cushioning agent between bones to reduce friction during movement. Collagen-rich foods such as bone broth, fish, poultry and certain meats can support the body's natural collagen production and promote joint health, especially in the knees. These foods contain amino acids like glycine and proline, which are building blocks for collagen synthesis, helping maintain the strength and flexibility of connective tissues around the knee joint. As we age, our natural collagen levels gradually decline, a process that begins in our late 20s and accelerates as we get older. This reduction makes cartilage in the knee and other joints less flexible and more prone to wear and tear, often resulting in stiffness, pain, and decreased mobility. Without sufficient collagen, the knee joint loses some of its shock-absorbing properties, which can exacerbate the symptoms of arthritis and contribute to more rapid cartilage breakdown. Incorporating collagen-rich foods into one's diet can help counteract this age-related decline by providing the nutrients necessary to support collagen production and maintain the integrity of knee cartilage. Bone broth, for instance, is especially beneficial because it's rich in collagen, gelatin and minerals that support joint health. Fish and lean meats also offer other essential nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids and protein, which have anti-inflammatory properties that further protect the knees from damage. To manage inflammation effectively, incorporating anti-inflammatory foods like turmeric, ginger, garlic and onions into your diet can provide powerful benefits. These ingredients contain bioactive compounds that work to reduce swelling, ease pain, and promote overall joint health. Turmeric, for instance, contains curcumin, a compound known for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Curcumin has been shown in studies to reduce joint inflammation and can help decrease the discomfort associated with arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. When combined with black pepper, which contains piperine, the absorption of curcumin in the body increases significantly, enhancing its effectiveness. Ginger is another powerful anti-inflammatory food that offers natural pain relief benefits. It contains gingerol, a bioactive compound known to reduce inflammation in the body. Regular consumption of ginger, whether fresh in powder form or as part of a tea, can help to soothe joint pain, especially for those with chronic conditions like osteoarthritis. Ginger can also aid digestion and improve circulation, which further supports overall health and wellness. Garlic and onions belong to the allium family and contain sulfur compounds that inhibit inflammatory enzymes, helping to reduce joint pain and prevent cartilage damage. Garlic, in particular, has been shown to have immune-boosting properties, which can be beneficial for those dealing with autoimmune forms of arthritis, such as rheumatoid arthritis. The anti-inflammatory effects of onions, especially red and yellow varieties, are largely due to their high levels of quercetin, a flavonoid that has been linked to decreased inflammation and improved joint health. Adding these foods regularly to meals provides an easy and natural way to reduce inflammation without relying on medications. Beyond just flavor enhancement, they contribute to a nutrient-dense, anti-inflammatory diet that promotes joint health and reduces pain over time. Gelatin, an affordable and accessible food derived from animal collagen, is another valuable addition for supporting cartilage and connective tissue health. When consumed, gelatin provides amino acids like glycine and proline, which are essential for collagen formation in the body. Regular intake of gelatin, whether added to soups, smoothies, or even in homemade gummy treats, can help support the maintenance and repair of joint cartilage. This is particularly beneficial for aging individuals or those experiencing early signs of joint degeneration, as gelatin can aid in retaining joint flexibility and comfort. Homemade remedies such as aloe vera and honey compresses or red pepper oil can offer knee pain relief. However, avoid pepper oil if experiencing a fever. A combination of honey and apple cider vinegar is also beneficial for knee health. Warm baths with sea salt can ease knee pain by relaxing the surrounding muscles, relieving tension, and minimizing spasms. While medications cannot reverse osteoarthritis, staying active without overloading the knees, maintaining healthy eating, and balancing activity and rest can make a lasting difference. Following these practical tips allows for pain-free movement well into the later years. For more valuable insights on knee health and other wellness topics, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and share this video with family and friends.